हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम एमएससी सेम 2 के पेपर 6 का यूनिट 1 का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे जो है हाइपरफाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस और लैम्प शिफ्ट के बारे में जानेंगे। हाइपरफाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइंस, the spectrum having very close packed lines was named as hyperfine structure. We know that the multiple structure of spectral lines arises due to the split orbit interaction, but experimentally it was also observed that relativistic variation of mass of hydrogen atom also account for the structure. Therefore, the combined effect of the spin orbit interaction and relativistic variation of mass of the hydrogen accounts exactly for the hyperfine structure. Therefore, the fine structure of spectral lines is attributed to extranuclear effect and results due to the relativistic variation of mass and change in energy due to spin orbit interaction. For much finer details of spectral lines, it was believed that it arises due to the existence of different isotopes of an element. For example, in case of natural hydrogen spectrum, we observe a line separated by a distance of 1.79 angstrom from H alpha line, and that is due to the presence of deuterium, an isotope of hydrogen with mass number 2. The fact that intensities of component lines are proportional to the relative abundance of the isotopes confirm the above view, but later on the hyperfine structure was observed in the spectral lines of the elements which have only one isotope, that is bismuth. Further, the number of components is sufficient for different spectral lines and their relative intensities cannot be explained on the basis of the isotopic structure of the elements. To explain the hyperfine pattern of the spectral lines, suggested that the nucleus of the atom also spin in presence of an axis and process nuclear angular momentum. Thus, this spin also gives rise to magnetic moment, whose interaction with the magnetic field of extranuclear elements helps us to explain the hyperfine structure of the spectral lines. The hyperfine structure, which is observed due to the isotropic constitution of elements, is known as isotropic structure of the spectral lines, while the one which arises due to the nuclear spin is known as hyperfine structure. It is difficult to separate the two effects. Sometimes isotopic structure and hyperfine structure occurs simultaneously. As for example, the hyperfine structure of a line of titanium has 8 components, while the isotopic structure of a line of tungsten has 3 components. In the study of the fine structure of spectral lines, the spectroscopic measurements have posed great difficulty. In case of hydrogen and singly ionized helium, the lines have larger Doppler width due to their small masses, and they are further hampered the progress in the study of the fine structure of the spectral lines. The discovery of the deuterium improved the condition up to a certain extent. The main steps in explanation of the structure are listed below with reference to H alpha line of the Balmer series. First, discovery of the doublet structure, that is transition starting from n equal to 3 and ending at n equal to 2 or n phi is equal to 2 by Michelson and Morley in 1887. Its interpretation by Sommerfeld as relativistic effect. Third, discovery of a third component between two main components. 4. Its interpretation by introducing electron spin. 5th, the upward shifting of 2s in deuterium compared with the theoretical value. The experimental confirmation of this shift by Lamb. 7th, the formulation of radiation theory to explain Lamb shift. And 8th, the discovery of the similar shift for 3s term. Now we will discuss about Lamb shift. The fine structure of H alpha lines has been the fine structure of alpha lines with the help of Sommerfeld theory may be explained with the help of Sommerfeld theory, then on the basis of vector concept of different momenta, and finally on the wave mechanical ground. The successive attempts show greater resemblance of theory with the experimental truth. The theory having more fine techniques was later developed by Dirac and gives rather better results than given by Schrodinger's wave mechanical picture, but Houston and Hayes showed that the separation of the components of fine structure doublet in hydrogen H alpha lines is only 96% of the predicted by Dirac theory. This is small but certainly discrepancy stimulated further research, and it was pointed out by Paschen. This small but certain stimulated further research, and it was pointed out by Paschen that the discrepancy between theory and experiment could be explained on the assumption that the 2s half level is raised about 0.03 cm minus 1 relative to 2p half 2 level. In the year 1917, Lamb and Rutherford explained and examined the method and established that 2s half and 2p half levels do not coincide as predicted by Dirac theory, but that the former level is 0.033 cm minus 1 above the later. Thus, the earlier predictions of Houston and Hirsch were confirmed. The shift of energy level is known as Lamb shift. The explanation of the Lamb shift comes from quantum theoretical treatment of radiation field. Lamb shift is then recognized as being due to the interaction of an electron with its own surroundings radiation field. Thus, this effect was not included in the original Dirac theory.